actually refreshed my hair with the Schwarzkopf Brilliance Luminance in Smouldering Red. You may have seen the video that I did a couple of years ago. However, I was using this color over already like pre-lightened and red hair, whereas over the past couple months I've just been doing it over black box dye. So if you have like a natural color hair or black box dye hair, you can actually get to this color level. This time I'm actually going to refresh my hair with the color Burgundy Chic because I wanted to go to more of a burgundy color, like a richer purpley color, because I think that will suit my coloring best, but I guess we'll find out. There's literally no point in dyeing that under section, but I'll still need 2 boxes. You really don't get a lot of dye, so I'm just putting the cream into the little bowl. I don't know why I didn't know what that was. You can obviously just put it in the bottle and apply it straight on, but I don't know. I love to brush it on. It makes it more of an experience. Anyway, let me mix this up. Oh fuck. But I just need to separate my hair. I like to do 4 sections. So, got a little front section. I still need to do like the upper part. My strategy that I typically use is I'm just gonna go all around here, all around the edges of my hair, and then I'm just gonna do the 2 front sections first and then this section here, but I'll just start with the roots and then I'll put it on through the lengths of my hair, and hopefully I have enough. Got my hairbrush because I might brush it through a little bit. You see how much more satisfying it is with a brush? Oh, that is good stuff. Oh my god, I feel like I already know I'm gonna really like this color. I didn't even put a fucking hole in it. Silly. I'm just going to drag some of that colour underneath, just around the hairline at the back, just because I know my hair would have grown out, right? So I'm pretty sure you just leave this one on for like 30 minutes. Whew. But obviously I've had it technically on for much longer, haven't I? I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. wash it out, leave the little mask on. I love these little masks that they have with the dye. And then I'm going to show you the finished result. But I'm really happy with it so far because it's coming off real magenta bitch, but it's also all over my face right now, so let me fix that. So this is the final look with the colour. I'm really liking it because it is more of that pink tone. It's fully stained my hands whilst I was styling, so I don't think I washed it out good enough. And I think I had a bit of an allergic reaction, but that's gone away now. I really love the colour. It's quite dark. It is giving that kind of cherry red vibe, so I really like it and definitely prefer it on me. You can see my eyes look a lot better with this colour. You let me know what you think and let me know if you've tried this colour and loved it or if you friggin' hated it. I just wanted to show the colour outside. You're doing great, honey.
Thanks. I'm a tripod.